Here is a flower petal on the window. Hello there. Today I'm going out to look for the spring. It's been raining for the entire morning and it still has some rain outside. But it's Saturday and I don't want to lose the day sitting at home watching TV or surfing the internet, because Saturday is the only day I have for myself, and it's the only day for me to really relax and revive myself for the entire whole week. So I do not want to lose a minute at home. I want to go outside and be near to the nature to find some healing power in nature, because nature is known for possessing some certain powers that can heal our soul and mind. So I'm going out to look for that power, and hopefully I can find something interesting to share with you. Okay, let's go.
Green is the color I think of when speaking of the season spring. I see tender green leaves almost everywhere. Green is the color of life and rebirth. The energy in the nature is something that we can all harness to heal our souls. Last winter was long and cold. I couldn't get out of the door very often due to the chilly weather and the coronavirus. I was depressed and my anxiety worsened. I was sick often, coughing and sneezing a lot. But now I feel better because I didn't let myself fall into depression, and as it is spring right now, I just push myself forward to get that positive energy from the outside. I'm trying to look for some pretty flowers, even the tiniest one in the wild. I'm eager to shoot some images that make me feel calm inside and take them home. I don't know if you feel lonely for many times, even though you have family and friends. Well, I do. I'm not sure is it because I am an introvert or because I'm depressed sometimes. I know I'm being loved for sure, but I'm not being understood in some cases. My mom says it's quite normal for people to feel this way, so I should not worry. Is it true? I always feel the urge to express myself because I have so many thoughts in my mind, but I do not always find an audience. I want to explore the world to the fullest, and I'm always trying to inject meaning into my life. I'm not quite on track right now, but I hope I'll soon find a way and awaken myself. Anyway, it's spring. Spring gives life to everything. Spring shows us that the world can be better after winter has gone. If you feel depressed and have some things on your mind that's been bothering you, maybe spring is the time to let go and cheer up. There is nothing in the world that can defeat you completely. You can always revive, like the grass and the flower.
So, okay, now I'm walking on a wooden bridge, and everything is green here, and everything is so pretty, beautiful. It's the color of spring.
That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a happy day.